So here was our first idea. We set the rank of a page X to be the number of links into the page X. So pi of X is the in degree of X. Now what's the obvious problems with this? Well, here's a simple example. Let's suppose that Georgia Tech has a web page which lists all the faculty. Okay, that's probably true. And the faculty list is probably like 1,000 long. One of those is going to link to my web page. So 1 out of 1,000 of these links to my web page. Now let's suppose that Georgia Tech's front page or the COC's front page has only 5 links on it. And one of those happens to be the Keyshore's web page. Now in the current measure of the rank of a page X, I get a +1 for this link, and Keyshore gets a +1 for this link. So both of those links count the same for us. Now that doesn't seem so fair. This is 1 out of 1,000, this is 1 out of 5. So how do we get around it? Well, the obvious way is to scale it by the number of links. Now the natural solution to this problem is if Georgia Tech's web page has 1,000 links, and one of them goes to my web page, then I get 1 out of 1,000. And if Georgia Tech's front page has 5 links, and one of those is to Keyshore, then Keyshore gets 1/5 of a citation. And in general, if a page Y has this many outgoing links, then each web page is going to get 1 over the number of outgoing links of a citation. So Georgia Tech's faculty list web page has 1,000 links, let's say. So I'm going to get 1 over 1,000 of a citation. This web page has 5 links, 1 to Keyshore's. So Keyshore is going to get 1/5 of a citation.